Okay, so this is the unboxing of the Car Seat Covers UK in West Yorkshire, in Halifax in West Yorkshire, should I say. Delivered today by Amazon overnight. 2 covers, fake sheepskin or faux fur, and in grey. I'm going to try and fit these onto the Fiat Ducato 2016 Swift Escape 622. I'll put the passenger seat on first and then see how it goes. So that's what you get inside the box. Tons of paper as usual. Great for getting the weeds down in the garden. And then we have the covers. What we need in there. Okay. So I must remember to open it carefully and not like it's Christmas Day. Very nice. And I have got COVID at the moment, so I can't tell whether these are going to smell or not, which is possibly a good thing if they're man-made fibres, because they do tend to get a bit iffy to start off with. There's a small pack of hooks which may help hold them down. It does say that you can use these for the Fiat Ducato, the Peugeot and a couple of others. Very good description online. And well, this looks like Bungle's uniform when he got older. Okay, right, let's have a go. Excuse the derriere. So, head first, possibly. The wrong way around, that's not a good start. So, head over first. Left arm in. Right arm in. Seat pan in. Well, this is not difficult at all. Pull them down at the back. There you go, just a couple of minutes, and there's a couple of strings on the bottom just here that you can use to attach to the bottom of the seat as well, which will help keep that in place, and they're certainly going to protect it for longer. 10 out of 10 from me. Well done, West Yorkshire.